Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Let's start bus counting 1 to 10. Let's start. Counting bus. Count the means of transport and write the number names in the boxes below. 1, 2. Write the number 2 in the box. TWO 2. 2 TWO 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write the number 5 in the box. 5. FIVE 5. 5 FIVE 5. 1, 2, 3. Write the number 3 in the box. THREE 3. THREE 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write the number 7 in the box. SEVEN 7. SEVEN 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write the number 8 in the box. EIGHT 8. 8 EIGHT 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the number 4 in the box. FOUR 4. FOUR 4. 1, 1. Write the number 1 in the box. ONE 1. 1 ONE 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write the number 10 in the box. TEN 10. TEN 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write the number 6 in the box. SIX 6. SIX 6. Let's repeat again. One, 2, 2 TWO 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 FIVE 5. 1, 2, 3 THREE 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 SEVEN 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 EIGHT 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 FOUR 4. 1, 1 ONE 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 TEN 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. S-I-X. 6. Well done, kids. You are doing great. Good job. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.